In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads account name. This is a quick update that can make your workspace clearer, especially if you manage multiple brands or regions. Changing the account name is simply a label change inside your Google Ads interface. It won't affect your campaigns, billing setup, conversions, or your customer ID. Think of it as renaming a folder so it's easier to recognize at a glance. First, look to the left side of your Google Ads interface and click Admin. This opens the area where you control how your account is configured. If you don't see Admin, you may be in the wrong account or your access level might be limited. Make sure you're in the correct account using the account selector at the top, and if needed, check with your team to confirm you have the right permissions to make basic account changes. Inside Admin, select Account Settings. This is where general details for your account live. It's a good place to confirm that you're editing the right account, especially if you work within a manager account and switch between clients frequently. Now, click on Account Name. When you select it, the field becomes editable. This is your chance to make the name more descriptive and helpful. Consider a naming convention that keeps things tidy and easy to scan, like including the brand, region, and purpose. For example, you might use a structure such as brand, country, objective. Keep it professional, avoid confidential information, and choose something that will still make sense to your future self or teammates months from now. If your organization uses a standardized format, stick to that to ensure consistency. After typing your new name, click Save. You should see a small confirmation that your changes were saved. The update usually reflects quickly across the interface and in any manager accounts that view this account. Don't worry if it doesn't appear everywhere instantly. A brief delay can happen, but it typically resolves within moments. If the Save button is unavailable or you can't edit the field, it often means your access level isn't high enough or there are policy restrictions in place. In that case, reach out to the person who manages account permissions. Also remember, you're changing only the account's label. Your customer ID stays the same, and nothing about your active campaigns, budgets, or tracking is altered. That's all there is to it. Open Admin on the left, go to Account Settings, click Account Name, make your edit, and save. Keep your naming clean and consistent, and you'll navigate your accounts faster every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.